This is the best camera for traveling and I will show you why. The Insta360 One X is a camera I bought on all of my trips, and they just released a new version, the X4, and I'm so excited to test it. This is the old version, the X3, and you can see that the new version is a bit bigger and it's just much more powerful. It films in cinematic 8K, which is a huge game changer when it comes to YouTube. It's perfect when you want to mix 360 footage with other videos and make it look seamless. When I travel, I always try to bring the least amount of gear, and this camera is perfect for this. I often take it instead of a DSLR and a tripod because I can get a third-person view with it without anyone else helping me. My favorite way of mounting this camera is the invisible selfie stick. The two lenses have a gap in the middle and everything in between is cropped out automatically. That means you won't see the selfie stick as long as it's thinner than the camera. It films in all directions and you can reframe the shot later. This way there's no way you can mess up the framing. We found this amazing location here with a tree over the water, and my idea was to jump down, and to get the first shot I will set the camera to 8K 30 FPS. This way I can get the highest quality. Walking over this tree was actually really sketchy. I was a bit afraid, it was shaking a lot, and I tried to walk all the way to the end and then jump down. I had a lot of pain on my skin because the water was so cold, but I really wanted to try a flip and film that in slow motion. A really nice feature about the X4 is that you can film in 5.7K in 60 FPS. I walked over the tree again and you can see that the resolution is still really good, and when jumping down it's possible to put it on 50% to just put that slow motion in.
The water is so cold from winter. I'm not doing that again.
I never tried to use this 360 camera on a drone because it's really easy to scratch the lenses, but they brought out these lens protectors and it's really easy to put them on. So let's get some FPV shots. We barely got the drone back, and now I will transfer the footage to my phone. In the app we can just scroll forward to the position that's interesting and set the first keyframe by pressing here. Then we just keep scrolling and set the second keyframe after reframing. And now I want to turn around the camera like this and set another keyframe, and now if we play it, it will look to the other direction. Click Clarity Plus and Color Plus to make it look better. Now we only have to cut the video and trim it to the position we want, and then we can export. I can't always convince my friends to film me snowboarding, so this is my solution. I always bring it in the mountains, and when you hold out the stick, it's super easy to get a third-person perspective while snowboarding, and it looks amazing. I think I use this camera even more in winter than I do in summer. I can't wait to bring this camera on my next trips. Thanks for watching. Oh, that was not comfortable to sit on.